Alright, Matt, I have your two quads here. You got your modulus65 and your libero micro. So I'm going to show you how to bind them real fast. This is the Spectrum one, this is the FR Sky one. So I'll show you the Spectrum one first. So once you have your new model set up in your radio, you have the receiver set on 11 milliseconds in your radio, and you reversed your yaw and aileron. So once you've done all that, this is how you bind it. So you take a USB. I'm using a power bank. You can see there, power bank with a USB. You can also use your phone charger if your phone uses this kind of charger or this kind of plug. Take this module. Actually, first, I'm going to leave this unplugged, and I'll leave the module plugged in. So all you have to do is just plug the USB in to the module. So when you get the quad, it's going to look just like this. Just like that, okay? So then all you got to do is take the quad, take the module, plug the USB plug into it, and let's see, do I got power? Okay, so the LED is flashing, see? That means it's in bind mode. Take your radio, hold the bind button, power it on, hold it about 2 feet away.
Binding. DSMX 11 milliseconds. Bind complete.
And there you go, it's bound. So then you unplug the module, turn off your radio, unplug it from the quad, take the plug that's on the quad and plug it back into the receiver. Come on. Just like that. And you're good to go. So now you can turn your radio back on. Plug the battery in. And auxiliary 1 should be arm. There we go. God, I forgot how quiet and smooth these damn motors are. You can barely even hear it running. Alright, that's the modulus65. Good to go. Next up, the libero. So you take your QX7 or X9D, whatever you got. You turn it on.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Hopefully you already know how to set up a new model. You go into the menu, make sure it's on D16 mode, go down to bind, push it on bind, take a pair of tweezers or something. I'm going to use this because it has the same battery plug. The bind button is right here, right behind the camera. The little copper looking piece right there. That's your bind button. So you hold that down while you're plugging in the battery. Get the battery almost plugged in, but not quite. Push the button. Plug the quad in. Let go of the button. Wait a couple seconds. Push the bind button again on your radio. Unplug the quad. Plug it back in. And auxiliary 1 is arm. It should arm. There you go. Good to go. This thing's a screamer. Alright, well, hopefully that helps you get going on these two quads. And enjoy.